My name's Don Webber. I'm Professor of Economics and Head of the Economics Department here at Swansea University. When you come and study economics at Swansea University, you will encounter a range of very applied, relevant modules. Current issues in economics, you'll be studying issues of discrimination, of education, of health and of the environment. At level 2 and all the way through the degree, you'll be focusing on microeconomic issues and macroeconomic issues, where we look at the individual firm, individual people and society, how we all interact, why we interact in that particular way. At level 3, I teach contending perspectives in economics, which is where we try to understand why different economists think in different ways. All of these issues and all of these modules enable us to provide you with an excellent range of economic knowledge at Swansea University. I really enjoy running lectorials. Lectorials is where we run a lecture for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then we stop and we look at a case study and we try to understand how the information passed over in the lecture brings itself into the real world in the seminar. Once that's finished, we go back to the lecture, we will have another 5 or 10 minutes of information, and then we apply it again in a seminar. So a lectorial is an interactive lecture seminar where we gather information, but we also apply the information to bring the real world to life. We're very proud of the employability of our students. We're the 9th best university in the country for employability. And that's a good reflection of the education that we provide, but also the links that we have between the university and employers. Some of our students go on to become traders in the city, trading derivatives. Some of them end up working for government departments, providing advice and shape policy. Others go in and work for firms of a variety of sizes. We provide an education which enables you to do all of these jobs. Economics is a discipline which focuses on the world around us. So I would strongly encourage students who are interested in current affairs, society, derivatives, all of these wide range of issues to apply to study economics at Swansea. We provide a wide range of modules which enables you to follow a path which meets your interest. Maybe it is focusing on money, on derivatives, a job which enables you to be a trader in the city when you graduate, or maybe it's towards trying to understand how society can allocate resources to reduce unemployment rates, to encourage development overseas or within our own country, and to make the world a better place. Come and see us during an open day. We're here to help, we're here to provide you with a range of information. You'll realise we're a nice bunch of people. We're here to provide you with information which enables you to make an informed decision and probably choose Swansea University.